talked about using colored pencil to make value, going from light to dark, based on how hard we press down with our pencil. This is a really fun lesson to make a color pencil ghost. I like to start on black paper, although you can use white. I just think it's spookier on black paper. And I draw that outline of a ghost. Make sure that you put in a face, any kind of face you'd like. And you can see I only have gone about halfway down the paper. Once I've drawn my initial guide and put the face in, I start to color. And you can see that when I'm adding my color in, I'm not making straight lines. I'm sort of going in little circles. And I'm not pressing really hard either. If I press too hard, or if I go in really straight lines, then you can see those streaks and straight lines. The key to making this ghost really successful is having the top of the ghost, the face part, use the color pencil in a pretty heavy way on the top. And then as you get down to the bottom, make it sort of extra spooky by not pressing very hard at all with your pencil to make it really light. You're going to have some really good value from dark to light if you keep that in mind. And it's going to make the ghost look a little more ghosty to have the bottom of the ghost be drawn with a really light hand. That means you're not pressing hard at all. Once I felt like my first pass with my blue pencil, or you could use really any color that you wanted, I went over it with white. Using white added a different dimension to the drawing. I was able to lighten parts. It helped to sort of make a different color. I could make sure to define the face a little better. And you'll notice that I'm using it mostly at the top, although I do use it kind of near the bottom of the ghost as well. Even though I fast forward through quite a bit of this process, it wasn't quick to make this little ghost. I wanted to spend time and make it look really good. Once I was done coloring with the white pencil, I went back over parts of it with the blue again. I wanted to help blend the white back in. I didn't want to have any streaks or any obvious places where it started and stopped getting lighter and darker. I wanted those value changes to be pretty subtle. I didn't want it to be obvious where I'd pressed really hard and pressed really light. I wanted that transition to be fairly smooth. Let's see how I finish it up.